Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about FabFitFuns for spring. I gotta be honest, I went a little crazy with the add-on. They have like a spring edit thing. So FabFitFun, if you pay for it all 4 seasons in advance, like it's $179. Otherwise, I think it's $50 a season. So you paid that 4 times a year. It's lifestyle and beauty. I don't think I get a lot of cosmetics in here. Did I mention I go crazy? I don't even know how to do it. You know what? I might do the add-ons first. And then I'll show you what we got in the actual box. Okay, there's a lot. And I didn't buy all this at once. That's the crazy thing, is it like, I think I blacked out and add to cart and blacked out. First thing I want to show you guys is, I didn't get one of these before. This is like the marshmallow blanket, I think. Small blanket, silver, petite, couverture, argent. Okay, so I think this might have been like the marshmallow blanket. I think this is the one that everybody else got. And they're like, oh my gosh, every time they see this, I have to grab it. And I didn't, so when I saw it, I'm like, okay, we're grabbing it. We're gonna see what this is all about. It's gray because I have a lot of gray in my bedroom. I have gray in my living room and in my bedroom. All right, this is, oh yeah, this is almost like a faux fur feeling blanket. That's gonna be super cozy. And then I got another one of these blankets too. This is the Hallmark collection, Hallmark collectibles. Mart, not Mark, not Hallmark, but Hallmark. And I have bought a couple of these in the past and used them just kind of to throw over the edge of the chair. But this one's a little bit different because it's got more blues. And I recently bought new couches that have like it's almost like a denim blue, but not really, like a slate blue. Anyway, I thought this would be kind of cool with the couch. So blues and grays, there we go. Okay, this is another lifestyle thing. I thought, oh wow, that'll be kind of fun. That'll be cute. Actually, I think they're super cute. These are Bloomingville. They're like jute baskets that I thought I could hang in my bathroom. Like, I feel like I could put washcloths maybe in one, and then like maybe hairbrush or something in here. But anyway, I thought these would be cute to like hang on the walls. Maybe I could like hang them right. I'm not gonna hang them right here because then it would hit my face in them. It's like a 2-pack of these little things. Beauty and lifestyle. All right. Have you guys tried these vitamins? These are the Tula skincare vitamins. Probiotics and superfoods, it says. Balanced beauty. I've tried several collagen, biotin type gummy vitamins, and I thought I would try these. You know what? We're gonna try them right now. I saw them on there, I'm like, oh, I like gummy vitamins. Like, who doesn't like gummy vitamins? Can't remember to take vitamins, you guys. I don't take any medication, and not that I'm opposed to it, I just take them too. I don't know what the dosage is. What's the dosage? Serving size 2 gummies. Not the best tasting gummy vitamin I've ever tried. I bought these together. This is the Grown Alchemist. I've tried several of their products that I've received in these subscription boxes. This one is the body cleanser, so that would be a good shower gel. And then I also got the gentle facial cleanser. Now I'm facial cleansered out because I have, you know, the 2 other ones, the exfoliating ones that came in my boxy, but this, I think this line is really cool. Oh, it smells so good. Anyway, they look cool. I like the simple packaging. I think it just reminds me of like an apothecary. Grabbed another one of these sponge gel things. This one's Coconut Blossom. I think I might have just ordered another one of these. Okay, but I use them. They last about 2 weeks. They're like a shower gel infused sponge, and you get it wet under the sink. I mean, in the shower. And eventually it'll get soft enough to like not take your skin off. Kula Mineral Face Sunscreen Matte Finish. I don't know if this will be less reactive to my skin than like Supergoop, because the Supergoop stuff I kind of broke out a little bit. It's that time of year to get some sunscreen, so we'll try that one. I don't think I have any experience with it. I did see, oh, here's some more of that Grown Alchemist stuff. This one is a body cream. So I have the body shower gel, and then I have the body cream, and then I have the face cleanser. I am gonna be getting like a whole regimen of the Grown Alchemist here pretty soon. But this stuff, I don't know what flavor it is, but we're gonna break the seal. We're gonna try it here. It smells herbally. It smells like a spa. It smells like a luxury spa. Oh, and it's so soft. Okay, I'm excited about this. I like the Grown Alchemist stuff. I'd never heard of it before one of these subscription boxes, and I'm like, okay, I'm buying more Grown Alchemist stuff. This came as a 2-pack and again, one of the add-ons, and this is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer, which I have used, and then the Truth Serum. So skincare, but this stuff normally is a little on the expensive side. In fact, I have one open right here. I have the Banana Bright Face Primer right here. Apparently I thought I needed a backup. and a serum. I also got the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Cream. This is an eye depuffing gel. I've had the one that's not really a gel. Yeah, but the same package. I think what I've used this in the past, I don't have like horrible eye bags right now, but when I've used this in the past, I think it's the same stuff. I didn't think I realized it was a gel because it's like a little thicker cream. And I just kind of tap it right on that worst of the eye bag, and I swear it makes a difference. Dr. Brandt stuff is kind of expensive too, so when I saw that, I'm like, okay, I used one of those all the way through. I need another one. I'm almost through with my add-ons. Can you believe this stuff? This is crazy. The Hava Time to Clear Refreshing Cleansing Gel. Why do I have so much skincare cleanser right now? Hoarding it. Shouldn't be doing that. Time to Clear Refreshing Cleansing Gel. I thought this might be good at night. If I do the gel cleanser at night and then the scrub in the shower in the morning. Not every day. Okay. There was like a couple free things. This was a 4 Sigmatic plant-based protein sweetened vanilla. Thought maybe I'd try these in smoothies after working out. Right now I'm doing like intermittent fasting, so I don't know when I'm going to be doing some of these again. Plant-based protein with superfoods. This is the repair, so I thought that might be kind of fun to rebuild. They had like a couple things that's like, oh, if you order some stuff, you can choose a couple extra things. A gift with purchase. That's what we're calling it. Okay, but then that was one of them. Another one was, they had smart water. And so I chose a smart water show. It's up in the fridge, so I didn't bring it down. The Verso Botanical Super Eye Serum. There's a lot of skincare. I chose a lot of skincare this time, didn't I? It feels like a normal eye serum. It's not like I wouldn't call this like a super rich eye cream, but it does feel like a perfectly fine eye serum if you need multiple serums. I thought I'd try it. It wasn't very expensive, so that's the reason why I got it. Okay, I did order my daughter, and I didn't keep it in here, but they had these little, like a sake set, Japanese sake. They had a sake set, which was like a decanter and like 4 little cups. And then they also had like a sushi set, which had plates, like 2 plates, little dipping things and chopsticks, and I think maybe even like a little thing to hold the chopsticks. And so I bought her 2 of those, and then the sake set because she has like this whole, what do they call it? There's like a word for like a Japanese aesthetic. Anyway, she really likes that kind of stuff. And she's very neutral, black and white and tan, gray kind of color palette. I got her those. That was on the list here. So the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer, the Truth Serum, the Grown Alchemist Body Cream. Okay, so this body cream is supposed to be mandarin rosemary leaf. Mandarin and rosemary leaf. Okay, that explains the kind of like the herbal thing that I was getting. Yeah, so, oh, the last thing that was in my add-ons was this. This is the Ace Beauté Blossom Palette. Does it say Passion? Yeah, Blossom Passion eyeshadow palette. And I thought it would be like a really fun like spring, summer palette. Those colors are vibrant. Okay, so that fuchsia, wow, fuchsia and coral, and then some neutrals. I'm not going to swatch them because my hands are all gooped up right now, but I've had a couple of these Ace Beauté palettes and really liked the quality. So those were like my add-ons. I think everything else in here actually came as my subscription, so I'm going to get into this. They gave you some propaganda. This is on Nourish, vitamins, HelloFresh, some stickers in case you need stickers in your life. Grow Forth. This is 15% off your first FabFitFun box. If you guys want this, let me know. Somebody might message me over on Instagram and I'll mail it. And then you got like a FabFitFun magazine. I'm not going to read it right now. Let's go through here what I got. I think I chose this. Basil seeds. Because I plant seeds. Every year I plant seeds. Every year I plant stuff. And since I moved into this house like 5 years ago, nothing's grown. All of my good luck before was not because I was doing that, but was because, so anyway, I have basil seeds. Sometimes they work good in indoor planters, so we're gonna try that one. Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. I like the sound of that. Let's see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, there is so much skincare all over this table right now. All right. Oh yeah, this is cute. This looks like almost like a blue light serum. That's actually super cute. I have a little tray that's like a little shelf. It's like a tray shelf. Oh yeah, smells clean. With all of these types of bottles with the droppers on them, it'll go right up there because I just finished off another one. It'll get added to the collection. Cute. Okay, these are, I think these are like the cleansing puffs, right? Cleansing puffs. Yeah, 3 reusable beauty rounds. I actually buy the bamboo ones off Amazon. And when I use toner, if I don't use like an essence that you just kind of pour in your hand and pat on your skin, but if I actually do like a toner where I want to use a wipe, then I use those bamboo ones. These are ridiculously thick though. These are so much thicker than the other ones. I mean, they almost feel like they have a blendiful inside. They're very thick. This almost feels like the old school like face powder puffs. It's not really what I was expecting, but they're reusable beauty rounds. Not really what I was thinking, but maybe there's more information on them in the magazine. What else do we get here? Suns Out, Pouts Out, 4 pieces of gold foil lip masks. Okay. They're individually packaged, so I guess it's just like a lip mask that you put on and will help like nourish your lips, or infused with Saikin honeysuckle flower extract, gold foil lip mask. Fun. These little things are cute. Okay, tweezers with pouch. Got another set of tweezers. Second beauty box with tweezers. So much skincare. All right, let's take a look at these tweezers. Are these the Tweezerman ones? No, these are Summer and Rose. They've done a lot of things from Summer and Rose, actually. Okay, yeah, they're cute. They have a little travel case, and these are like a little floral slanted tip tweezer. I like these. I will actually keep these with my travel stuff. I will use those. We'll absolutely use those. All right. Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. I've had this before, and I really like it. I love the Elemis brand. This is another one that I've got like a whole collection of Elemis products that I'm going to do like a whole regimen. I've got several of those going on. They're not going on because I don't have them opened right now. But this papaya enzyme peel, I want to think I ordered another papaya enzyme peel from someplace. So I'm excited to try this. Love face masks. And then we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment to go along with your enzyme peel, I guess. The Elemis products, these are nice. I like those. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Hair Mask. Probably use one of this for all that sand and salt and sun that I had recently. Finally, I think I washed it all out of it, but I've got a face mask or a hair mask. I'm actually excited to try this. I've known nothing about this brand. Gloss Modern. Got some slippers. I think with FabFitFun, you can choose one out of a set. Like they give you like 4 things, and they say, okay, pick one of these, and then if you want any extra, then it's like an extra, I don't know, $7 or $10 or $15, whatever to get more. I think this might have been one of my choice items here, these slippers. I feel like I've got several of these off of like Amazon recently, but I do like them, and this pink is cute. They seem really large, but they say medium large on them, so maybe that's why they seem large, but cute little slippers. Very last thing in my spring FabFitFun box says Short Stories LED Indoor Planter. I guess this goes with those basil seeds. I have to see what this is about here. Okay, so it's like a grow light. It's got like a planter thing and a grow light in it. We're gonna be successful at growing some herbs this year, and not like the devil's lettuce herbs, but like the herbs that like the basil. The basil and the cilantro and I probably use more basil than anything else. We're gonna use some of those seeds. Okay, so masks, glow, like indoor planter, seeds, skincare, so much skincare. These face rounds, some blankets, body care, body lotion, cleansers, vitamins, one random eyeshadow palette that I'm excited to use because I think it'll be really fun. Tweezers. Wow. This was a lot of stuff, you guys. I'm so ridiculously sorry right now. I didn't mean to hoard all this and wait. It's just I was waiting for my other BoxyCharm to come in. I thought I would do all of them at the same time. So the planter with the seeds was $60. Verso eye serum and the Gloss Modern, what is that? Okay, so 3A. So the eye serum was $65. The Gloss Modern, $55 hair mask. The slippers, $48 for those slippers. It's expensive. Tweezers were $20. Oh yeah, so I got the Grown Alchemist body cream. It was $26. The Elemis Papaya Enzyme face peel, $45. The Earth Harbor Marine Biome Brightening Ampoule was $38. The lip masks, $16 for that 4-pack of lip masks. The reusable face rounds are $15. It's actually a really good price. They seem very, very thick. I'll be curious to see how they do, if you can use them to remove makeup or whatever else. I think I'm blackout shopped, you guys. So it's kind of cool because if you do decide that you like some stuff in here, they give you like 20% off codes and other percentage off codes that you can buy more stuff in case you didn't get enough in either your box or in your add-on. Don't judge. I bought too much stuff. This has to go into a shelf. I need to do like a declutter. Okay, I'm done. I'm tapping out. I'm not buying any more skincare until I get through stuff that I have. I promise. Okay, you guys, I am going to let you guys get back to your scrolling and your fun day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I don't get any of this stuff in PR. None of this is gifted to me. I'm not sponsored, endorsed, affiliated in any way, shape, or form. But when I reach 400 subscribers, that's my next milestone. When I reach 400, I'm going to do another giveaway. So I love giving back to you guys. I love hearing from you guys. Do you guys do Boxy? Do you guys do FabFitFun? Did you get some other things? Do you guys go overboard with the add-ons like I do? Because I like to know what I'm getting. Sorry. All right, you guys. I'm going to let you guys go. And until my next video, bye for now.